everybody, how you guys doing? It is I, coming at you with another gardening update. Well, I'm sharing today my rubber plant. It appears to be looking a lot better since I put it in a smaller pot. It's hanging in there, so I guess it's doing better. And it's sharing a companion plant, the banana. It's a banana plant I put in there with it. Don't ask why, it's just sitting here. Anyway, that's what's going on with Mr. Rubber Tree. Next, I would like to share this beautiful succulent, which I put in the pot that the rubber tree was in. And look how beautiful it is. Look how it's opening up, showing all its graceful leaves and everything. Loving it. And I don't know the name of it right now because I forgot. And here's another one of my succulents. It's growing a stalk and I love it. It's doing great. And here's one of my latest succulent plants, and it appears to be doing great. Let me get a little closer. And there are some leaves in there from another plant that are making babies there. And I forgot the name of this plant, but it's growing. That good rainwater, and it's been a little chilly out here. So yeah, my succulent plant is doing great. I don't know the name of it because I forgot. And this plant here is like a thumb jade plant, and it's getting new leaves. My elephant plant, which I love, it's getting so big and it's doing great. And there's the pink lady. I chopped her down and she's doing great. Let me move her over. There she is. You can see her fresh new little leaves. I thought when I first used to buy these plants, they used to die so quick because I thought they were so delicate. But lies, they are a very strong plant. I guess we got used to the environment. Hold on. Now, this gorgeous bowl of succulents, that rainwater really did it a lot of good. It is so beautiful. If this was in a store for sale, it would probably go for $50-something. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn it around because it looks like it's growing a double back leaf on it. Check that out. But anyway, this is just a little update on how some of the plants in my garden are doing. Hope everybody is doing well and staying healthy from the virus, and keep watching the news. It's getting quite interesting. That inauguration is going to be something else. If what happened, what was it, Wednesday, it's going to happen in a few days. But anyway, thanks for watching. Welcome back all the subscribers. Have a blessed day.